Alright guys, today I'm going to be doing a review on these floor mats from OEDRO for my 2015 GMC Sierra Double Cab. I'm going to go ahead and open up the box and take a look. I went ahead and pulled out the factory floor mats out of the truck to show the difference in the protection that these OEDROs provide compared to the factory ones. These are much smaller in comparison. These cover up the entire rear end of the cab, as these in the front cover up the entire front end of the cab, with the exception to the pump in the middle, which is good because in my truck I have the floor shifter, so if I had the whole thing covered, it just wouldn't work out. Now this in the back, I'm real excited for this because I have a daughter and she's always sitting in the center of the cab with our car seat, and she's always spilling stuff over, and the carpet I'm always having to clean out stains, so I'm real excited for this. Let's go ahead and put these on the truck and see how they look. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video here. For 130 bucks, you can't beat them. Compare them to the other brands out there, such as WeatherTech. Honestly, I think they do the same thing. One thing you can't see in the video is that they have this rough texture to them that's going to help getting in and outside the truck. If you're an outdoorsman such as myself, you do a lot of fishing, some of y'all guys may do hunting, you track a lot of sand, you'll track a lot of mud in the truck. $130 is a small price to pay to protect your investment. That being said, go out and get you some.